Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here again with another foundation Friday. So if you want to see what foundation we test out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Do you believe in magic?
Hi guys, we are back and time to talk about this foundation. So this is the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint, and it has 8 shades. I don't know if the shade is gonna match. Anyway, it says get up and glow. Glow Hydrating Skin Tint delivers next level glowing skin with sheer to light coverage. And an ultra dewy finish, loaded with Moisture Queen squalene at a 29% level, plus a skin quenching electrolyte and coconut water blend to help prevent hydration. It is $12.99, and let's give her a whirl. I don't know, I feel like this is gonna be too light, but that's the problem about getting foundations at my grocery store, is the shade range is not great. Oh, it might be fine. Actually, I think it's fine. But now is not the time for glow because I have the biggest pimple. Oh my god. The biggest pimple. It does have a smell. Nothing crazy, but yeah, that's a good match. That is a good match. Oh wow, this is next level dewy, and I can't find the cover. Oh, it's right here. So the coverage is literally not there. There's like no coverage. Let's go ahead and put a little concealer. Doesn't exist. The coverage is insane. Not there. Like there's like nothing. I can see like literally every single freckle. So I'm putting, I put my Makeup Forever concealer, and now we're gonna go into this Juvia's Place contour bronzer situation. Okay, let us blend the concealer. Oh my god, I don't like this foundation. Yeah, this is wild. So I feel like I'm getting a lot more coverage from this. From my concealer than this. Oof. Man, this is just so dewy, like so dewy. Oh my god, I don't like foundations like that because I feel like it just slides. I look so white, but I have like literally no coverage, guys. Like no coverage. But I feel like I have no foundation. Okay, so this is how everything is laying. I can already tell you this foundation and me gonna have problems, but I'll give you 2 check-ins and my final thoughts at the end of the night on how I like this foundation. So see you guys later.
I'm just like you, and I need to fuck it up sometime. I'm stuck with ego. ego trips, selling sex to another Uber. Sometimes I feel magic, but I manage to.
Hi guys, so I'm doing my first check-in. Got this friend right here, but that foundation did not cover it because it needed, like, you know, a lot of help. But yeah, so I'm actually gonna go have dinner with my baby, and then maybe after that go to the movies. Not maybe, after we already bought tickets to the movies, so we're just gonna, you know, hang out, see how this foundation keep lasting, if it lasts. We'll see what happens, but it still looks good. But I just don't like that I don't have any coverage and everything is just so not a lot happening. But we'll see. We just keep wearing it, you know, and keep checking in. My face is pretty matte. I did not set it, so we'll see, because that foundation was very, very greasy, you know, because it's glow. So we'll see. But that's my first check-in. I will give you guys one more check-in and my thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later.
Me too, I'm just like you, and I need to fuck it up sometime. I'm stuck with ego trips, selling sex to another Uber. Sometimes I feel magic, then I manage to fuck up somehow. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic?
Hi guys, so I am doing my second check-in. You know, about to go to the movies to go see Saw X or Saw 10 or whatever it is. But yeah, so my face still feels pretty matte, but I feel like I've been all like inside and not really, you know, outside, so I haven't really been feeling how hot it is. And today's actually not terrible hot. I think it's in the 70s, but if it's in the 80s, it's very low, so it's not too hot. So maybe this might be the movie for the day, or the foundation for the day, because it's not crazy hot. But yeah, but it seems to be, you know, working fine. Again, like this foundation for a full bit, maybe not. Lips gone, but if it's just, you know, for everyday, you know, kind of no makeup day, it might work. We'll see. I'm gonna keep using it. But yeah, as usual, lips are gone. It's, you know. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go see the movie, and I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night. So see you guys later.
Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic? When you drunk, when you drunk, when you drunk, when you drunk, when you drunk. Me too, I'm just like you, and I need to fuck it up sometime. I'm stuck with ego trips, selling sex to another Uber. Sometimes I feel magic, then I manage to fuck up some.
Hi guys, we're back, and time to talk about this foundation. So let's talk about this. The Milani Glow. And I need a mirror because we have a lot of problems. So let's take a look. So first, like, all the foundation here gone, and then I'm not sure what it's doing here. It's like it's kind of like settling into my pores even if I prime before I put it on. Like, I don't know. And there's like no coverage, like you can see like my pimples, like all my little freckles, like everything is showing. And then even if like I lose like pretty much all the foundation here, it kind of went up to like right here and just make some kind of gathering stuff. Like, it looks gross actually. And my ears, why is my ear so shiny? Yeah, this foundation is greasy. Like, look at this and what's left of it. But it's just weird because it's like it's kind of off, like right here, then gather here, and then here looks like I have no foundation. So pretty much everything here is already gone. So I don't know, it's like right here, I don't know, It's like, it looks like little dots like of stuff coming up here. Yeah, but the foundation is pretty much gone. I wore this foundation for about 4 hours, maybe 5, because I started putting on around 4 and now it's like 10, so maybe 6 hours. So that's a long time, but I still don't like this. Like, I didn't say a time, like how long it's didn't really say like how long, but I have other, tints and balms and CC creams and BB creams that I think it is better. Like, this is just a situation that, yeah, it's $12.99. Yeah, I think there's like other tints that you can get that's a lot cheaper than that, and that's just so much better. Or if you want to spend a little bit more money, you can get that skin tint from Rihanna or Fenty Beauty. I would say Rihanna, like, me and her are like cool like that, but yeah, from Fenty Beauty, and that's like so good. So yeah, so do I recommend this foundation? Nope. Like, it's doing too much, but then not enough at the same time. So the coverage is terrible. That's the part where it's not doing enough, and then the too much is like the grease and everything else. So I do not recommend this foundation. So that's it, guys, for this foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Me too, I'm just like you, and I need to fuck it up sometime. I'm stuck with ego trips, selling sex to a lovable vibe.